When you go to the toilet on Earth, gravity pulls your pee and poo down and away. Now in space, astronauts are floating around. So how do astronauts go to the toilet in space? Let's find out.
In the 1960s, on the Soyuz Russian spacecraft, they used something a bit like this. In the past, American astronauts would poo into a bag, but they didn't really like this, as there was a risk that they could release the waste. So today, in the International Space Station, they use something a bit more advanced. It's called a waste collection system, or a waste and hygiene compartment.
This is the version we've created here at the museum. It's not the same, but it works in a similar fashion. The main difference between a toilet on Earth and a space toilet is that space toilets use suction to take the wee and poo away.
So the hose is used for the urine and the toilet is used for the poo. And the hose has a funnel attachment, and every astronaut gets their own attachment. It's not that simple, so the astronauts do have to practice before they head up into space.
In the toilet, there's a bag that covers the hole, with smaller holes in it. Those small holes work to keep things moving in the right direction, with the bag holding the poo. But what happens to the poo and wee once astronauts have used the toilet?
So the urine gets purified and treated, and it gets turned into drinking water. But you know what they say, tonight's wee is tomorrow's tea. The poo gets sent towards the Earth in a cargo ship, and it burns up in the Earth's atmosphere. And it does look a bit like a shooting star. So next time you look up into the sky and see a shooting star, it could just be an astronaut's poo. With that all done, see you later.